Morning light shines on the pan, batter ready in my hand, flipping magic from the start.
Hey there, I'm Mia, and I have to tell you about the most incredible adventure I had with my best friend Leo. One sunny afternoon, we stumbled upon my grandmother's old recipe book hidden away in the attic. Little did we know it held magical pancake art designs that could spring to life. We couldn't resist the challenge, so we gathered our ingredients and fired up the griddle. As we flipped our creations, we were amazed to see our pancakes come alive, filling our town with laughter and joy. But things took a wild turn when our final design, a dragon, decided to join the fun. It was chaotic, but in the end, we learned that cooking together can create unforgettable memories. That day, flapjack balls became a little more magical, all thanks to pancakes.
Morning light shines on the pan, batter ready in my hand, flipping magic from the start. Time to make some pancake art. Heart shaped though for love so sweet, bare face smiling oh so neat. Rainbows supposed to catch your eye, pancakes soaring to the sky. 20 designs oh we play, super cool in every way. Breakfast fun you can't deny, pancake art will make you fly. Starfish from the ocean blue, dinosaurs from way back through, butterflies with wings so bright, pancake art will make you fly. Starfish from the ocean blue, dinosaurs from way back through, butterflies with wings so bright, pancake mornings pure delight. Space rocket to the moon we go, unicorn with magic glow. Smiley face to start the day, artful pancake shout hooray, hooray. Starfish from the ocean blue, dinosaurs from way back through, butterflies with wings so bright, pancake art will make you fly. Space rocket to the moon we go, unicorn with magic glow. A smiley face to start the day, artful pancake shout hooray.